This is how I start my day, with a radiant, healthy skin, simple, effective, and glow boosting. And let me tell you, first of all, I do not have any makeup on right here on my face, except for my lip gloss and my mascara, of course, that I always, keep because of how it highlights my face. This routine I'm about to share with you is what I am currently doing, especially because I am not currently actively treating any acne or blemish whatsoever on my face. And for somebody who doesn't go out on makeup actually on a regular everyday, the best bet for me is just this skincare routine that has been doing the magic, okay, both in the morning and at night actually. And now the first thing, of course, is to cleanse your face. And let me tell you, the current product I'm using is one that I have been loving, and it is the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser that contains 2% salicylic acid treatment. Okay, like, I mean, I know I said that I am not currently actively treating any, breakouts on my skin, but this just also helps to keep all of that in check, regardless of my current skin condition. It is so gentle. It has this gel-like form. It doesn't foam too much, and it gets the job done, you guys. This has actually helped to keep the oil production on my face in check. It has also helped to keep the breakout on my face in check. I don't break out as much again. And this even made me to become more diligent with washing my face every single night before I go to bed. So first things when I wake up in the morning, or when I'm ready to take a shower or my bath in the morning, I go into the bathroom and I make use of this baby, okay, this that you can see right here. I love it because here it says that it helps to reduce blackheads and prevent new breakouts. I'm going to come on here with a detailed review of this. If you like a more detailed review, please let me know in the comment section below. It contains things like niacinamide, it contains ceramide, okay, which was one of the reasons why I picked it. It also contains sodium hydroxide, it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains benzoic acid. This is honestly amazing for you if you have an oily skin or an acne prone skin, my darlings. This just does all the magic, okay, that you need. And the next thing I always go in with is my moisturizer. And honestly, you guys, what I'm about to show you, don't judge me. Don't judge me, because see, I have a lot of things to do, which you're going to find out in a vlog that I should have posted before this video, or will come up shortly after this video. Okay, I've been house hunting and I need all the money I can get, because house rent in this part of Abuja is crazy. So I honestly don't have money to stock my skincare, especially since I went to go and get my moisturizer, and I discovered that the one I had in mind that used to be sold for, I think, 8,000 naira, was now like 15K or something. So I just said, please hold on. Okay, we're still on budget skincare here. So I am currently using this, and the reason why I use this, honestly, you guys, is because it works for me. Honestly, it works for me. I mean, if I can take my time to sit down and watch when I started having a better or a clearer skin, honestly, you guys, it will be when I resumed using this on my face. When I started this channel, I've always been an advocate of using lotions that are good for your face and your body at the same time, okay? And one I used to love at the time was Nivea. I did share with you guys. I spoke about my experiences, all the reviews, why I had to switch from Nivea to Lemon Fresh. And honestly, I skipped this after some time and started using, serums, and started using other moisturizers like Simple. I mean, if you followed my other skincare vlogs, you would probably know this. Okay, so you need to go and catch up if you haven't. Okay, if you're new here, go and watch those videos, right? I shared all of those details in that video, why I had to stop using this as well. Okay, and also because I also wanted to, try them out, to be able to come out here to give you guys some reviews as well. But after a while, like I said, I was done with trying out the products I wanted to try. I kept getting breakouts, they would clear out, they would come back. The inconsistency was crazy for me, okay? Inconsistency with the result that I am supposed to get, not the consistency of my using the product. So somehow, okay, in the course of trying to change skincare products or brands that I was using, skincare became a bit pricey. And honestly, because I am being very prudent with my spending now when it comes to skincare, because I feel like I said already that there is other things, okay? There are things of other priority, of higher priority, that I need to sort out. So I went back to this, not just for my face, but actually for my body, because the last lotion I used was, I think, Irish Gold something. And that lotion, hey, it's like I'm gonna come back here and tell people something that happened. I hyped that lotion when I started using it, but let me tell you, in 2 months, the after effects, not be person tell me say make I go drop them immediately. I dropped it and I went back to this. So this is what I'm currently using. It moisturizes your skin. You must have seen a video or a picture of me applying it here. It just leaves your skin feeling very hydrated all through the day. Honestly, you guys, this body lotion, okay, this lotion is very, very underrated. Even when I'm not using it alongside the body wash, usually I would use it with the body wash on my skin, but I'm not using it. I'm just using this. Okay, I have another product I'm currently using for my body. And of course, last but not the least, I already told you guys, no serums or anything, no treatment. And last but not the least that I have here, okay, that I'm currently using is this sunscreen, you guys. Let me tell you, this sunscreen, honestly, I think does the job. And I like the fact that it acts as a sort of primer for my foundation. Yes, when I have to actually use makeup. But one thing I've noticed with this is that it leaves white cast over, but the white cast is not so bad if you figure a way around it, which I have. If you'd like to know that, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be making a more detailed video explaining how you can effectively use this despite the white cast and without having to move around your day with white cast on your face. This is what I currently use. I don't use a very huge amount, okay, a pea-sized amount, honestly, because even with a pea-sized amount, it still leaves a white cast, but it sinks, absorbs immediately into your skin as against when you take a lot. See, I'm not a fan of using so much. And sunscreens is one skincare product that is very, very, very expensive. So why would I want to be packing it in my face so that it will finish within 3 weeks, I be 2 weeks? Egbamio. I'm a 9 to 5er. I'm a 9 to 5er. Maybe when you start super chatting me, clicking on that thanks button to support this channel, then I will be able to afford to buy, all these high-end skincare products, okay, especially sunscreens. And you guys, that brings me to the end of this video. What are you currently using in your skincare routine, especially on your face? Basically, please share with me in the comment section below. I really would like to know, from your face washes or cleansers to your toners to your serums to your moisturizers and even your sunscreen. Please share them with me in the comment section below. I am waiting to read all of that. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, my darlings, please click on that thanks button, catch up on our other videos, and of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired. And don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.